Hello everyone, today we're going to show you how to use the Earthbound map editor. First of all, you're going to download it from Super Me Kirby. Uh, the latest version as of today, uh, uh, 2026 17 of, wait, uh, July 8th. The latest version is 1.4.1. You can find it on Google by just searching download ABME, and you will get the the GitHub link. Here it is. Or alternatively, you can like look up the utilities on starman.net under the PKHack tab. Anyway, the best thing to do after downloading this is to go like make uh, there's two there's a lot actually. There's first you're gonna have to make a project using CoilSnake. CoilSnake does actually have its own map editor, and there was one before, but those are actually very bad and you should not use them at all. There are currently two versions of CoilSnake that are available for public and are used maybe widely. You can say that in terms of Mother 3 fans. There's the CoilSnake Next, which is the developer's next version of CoilSnake. It's on 4.3. This allows you to add sprites, which is like okay. It is needed for like some action script extension that makes every party member capable of using the bike. And there's the public release is the public release, of course. Uh, yeah, it's gonna take a while to open. Sorry about that. Anyway, you can use CoilSnake to decompile projects, and then it makes them into like easily editable files, like PNGs and .yml that are just like .text files. How to access the new or old, very old uh, Earthbound map editor is by going to tools and EB editor, of course. And then it's going to open this little tab. It's like the PK hack, the old PK. Oh, come on, bro. It's like the. Oh my god, I can't. Come on. I can't drag this. Anyway, you're going to click on Open Projects, and then click. Let's look for something. Oh my god, bro! I'm leaking so many stuff, you know. Let's open this one. Open. I said open. I need to click on it. I need the. Here it is. Cloud Snake project. You'll find it inside your Cloud Snake project, of course. It is your project. I think it says your data stuff and something like that. I don't know. Anyway, it's going to take a moment to load. You got your tile editor, door editor, and map editor in here. I'm going to show everything in detail. Just you can like skip to 10, 20 seconds, 5, maybe it's 20 seconds, and then it will be open. Sorry for the mic quality, of course, and then the uh, recording quality, and also the long time waiting. It takes very long for projects or stuff videos to get edited, so I just stream stuff in or record stuff in one go. So sorry about that. uh, it's still loading. Oh my god. uh, It's made by Jeffrey, I think, or Tomato, I'm not sure. Written by Mr. Tenda, of course. He also made Coil Snake, I think. Yes, he made Coil Snake. Based on JHack or PKHack by anyone EB. Licensed under GPLv3, I don't know who's that. Project Editor Property 0.1. Written by Mr. Tenda, of course. Tile Editor 0.8a. Written by for JHack. Based on code by GoPlay. Ported adapted by Mr. Tenda. Door editor written by Mr. Tanda as well as the map editor. Okay, and then there's the options. You can use hexadecimal numbers or open last projects. And here you open project, save, refresh, or edit. It's taking really long. No. Oh my god, bro. How about opening something else? How about this? Very funny. But it's taking too long. Anyway, let's talk about EBME. The Earthbound map editor. Here you have a lot of options actually. Let's full screen. You have your file. You can open, save, reload your project, open settings. General, the general stuff are as general as they can be. Load most recent project on startup. You should do this if you only have one project and don't have very different idea you want to put in a ROM hack and then you like forget or something. Zoom without holding control. You can zoom by pressing, I don't know, I'm not really sure. By pressing control you can zoom anyway. Paste NPCs and triggers at original location. I don't even know what that does. There is no description. Pick minimalist without the subpalette by default. Hold Alt. I don't know what does this mean to. Swap left and right mouse click in sector mode. There is sector mode, of course, but I don't know what does this do. I think it swaps sectors. Don't worry about that. That does not really matter. He's my friend. Anyway, Alt right click coordinate to copy pattern. Oh my god, bro, my mouse. I don't know what does that do. Oh my god, bro, he's playing it. Use X to resident coordinates. You can click yes. Copy coordinates within pixel scale. I don't know what does that do. Professional. I don't know what does that. This any of this mean? JK. This will set into like groups of like themes. You can choose 11 Vista, Windows, Fusion, or Earthbound style. I recommend whatever it's installed. I use Vista. Uh, Smooth to go. Changes if you experience performance with issue. Yes, I do open this because I have issues. Anyway, show undo. Anyway, it's going to show you like stuff that you did. Oh in here. So yeah, that's it. Default program, CC script editor. You can like use any text editor really. The most recommended is Visual Code Studio or Notepad++ with the extension for Coil Snake. There's PNG spat. You can like export a picture or like the tile sets or the like 8x8 tile sets. I think you can do that into like a folder. Here you can choose where to put them in. And in the advanced line ending without saving, I do not know what does this do. Force enable features. You can create new NPCs, and that's it. I think features that depend on Core Snake version is enabled can be forced. Be enabled. Recommended to leave everything unchecked. Yes, it is recommended, but I do not. I most of the time I like edit objects that don't have text in them. Yeah. Anyway, you have your file settings, edit. You can undo, help, about EVME, Earthbound Map Editor. That's what does that this stand for. If you ever was curious, written by Super Me Kirby. I do not. You can wherever. Special thanks to everyone who worked on Carl Snake, including Mr. Tanda, Catal, all these people. Here you can like see the new stuff that has been added. Whatever this text is from the Soundstone, you use it, but I don't know. Yes. Alright. Did this open? Oh my god, it's still loading. Bro, what? I think it's bugged. I think it's bugged. Loading tiles? Damn. Damn. Anyway, here you can like open projects in here by opening a project. You can create a project. There is like two videos, one made by Enderman Earthbound fan, I think his name is, and the other is made by a dot. He, she, or they made a video, a pretty good video on how to start by hacking. You can she teach you how to change the sprite of enemies and yada yada. Anyway, you can open projects in here. I don't think you are limited to how many you need. Uh, the version of Coil Snake is 4.2. I used the normal one. You can, I don't know, really. It doesn't really matter. I think here is the title. The author. This does not need to be filled in or anything. This is just like if you want to do it, you can do it. Here I did a thing that you can do in this editor. You can edit. Hold on. Mode view. Where is it, bro? You can clear map. You can clear all tile sets, sector properties, NPCs, trigger, and enemies. I do not recommend you clear triggers or NPCs. I recommend you only like clear tile sets and sector properties. Everything else should be there. I screwed it up and clear triggers. Now I have to go in and then find like a label with a checking label I want to use for miscellaneous stuff. I could have like not wasted a lot of time, but yada yada. Anyway, this is like the how you. This is not how it looks like. This is just after how you clear it. It will look like. It will be pretty empty. And these, I'll teach you about it later. It sometimes does this. All you gotta do is like scroll down and then scroll back up. You can like by pressing the mouse wheel, pressing it down, you can like drag the image by pressing and holding control. And scrolling up or down, you can zoom. Pretty basic stuff. Anyway, this is the tiles. Hold on. Undo. You can undo and redo by pressing Control Z. If you are on a normal, it doesn't matter. If you are, you. Oh my God, bro! Press Control Z to undo and Control Y to redo. Anyway, tiles are tiles you can edit, as you can see here. There are many tiles. Don't worry about these. They are just like this. You can edit them, and These are just tiles I made for hilarious stuff. Anyway, and then we got uh, yeah. Let's start with the oh my god sector. All right, so in the map editor, there's the tile data for sectors. Sectors are one, 2, 3, 4, 4 tiles tall, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tiles wide. Each tile is 32 by 32 pixels, each containing 8 by 8 tiles. My throat. Anyway, you can change the tile set used. You can use 0. It does not save it. You need to click quick save to edit them actually. And boom. Palette group. I will talk about it later when we go through the tile editor and map palette editor. Palette. You can like choose which palette to use. I'm using the Onet Onet tile set. This is that's why it like this is the dark Onet palette. That's why it's like green and dark and stuff. Tile sets are like collection of tiles. You can see this is the what's Tucson tiles and Happy Village and the roadway to Tucson and Threed. Tile 3 is for Threed. Tile 4 is for Foresight and something else, I think. No, it's just for Foresight. Tile set 5 is for miscellaneous stuff, I think. No. Oh, tile 5 is pretty empty. Oh no, tile 5 is for the tent for winter and the tunnels, entrance and exit, and also for magic. Uh, Hold on. Tile 6 is for Peaceful Rest Valley and the thing, the hold on, what's it called? Saturn Village, and for the way to the factory of Master Belch, Mister, and also for the what's called swamp, I think so. Tile set 7 is for Summers. 8 is for hold on. 8 is for the roadway to what's this called to from Dusty Dune Desert to Foresight, and also to for Dusty Dune Desert. This is the this is for the cutscene where Jeff is flying through the air with the machine that his dad gave him. Uh, Hold on, let me palette. This is for Dalam, I think. No, this is for the Cave of the Past and the water area for this is for the lamp too. It's pretty full, so it's not recommended to use it if you are going to use it. For the inside of the lamp houses too, and for the place where you go from Summers to Scaraba, like the cutscene where you fight the Kraken. Yeah. What's this? I don't know. It's maybe some palette, something. And there are exactly 19 pallets. Most of them are indoors or caves or stuff like that. Anyway, let's go to for these stuff. Tiles, I just spoke with them. Sectors are like what tile does this sector or 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 by 8 place use which tile set. Each time a tile set will be loaded. uh, look, so when you enter an area and the exit trigger is like on a certain tile set, it will use that tile set, and then any like I think any yeah I think any sector with no like with no like data or data other than this tile set, it will use this. It will use the number. It will use the tile number 0. In the case of Tucson, it will use this tile, and fill like that's how the place looks like. It's a forest surrounded by trees and stuff. Onet uses Onet uses like a blue background because it's like oh my god, because it like fills in the sea and the sky too. NPCs is like NPCs, of course. Here is the position where the player starts in. This is the this is the thing, the sleep ZZZ icon. Here are some NPCs. I think. Hold on. These are all NPCs. Anyway, NPCs are divided into 3 groups. You can add, I think, groups. I'm not sure. Anyway, there's the let's start from the beginning. Okay, there's the NPC position in pixels, of course. The NPC ID, you can click this to create a new entry, not a new instance. If you like hold down, hold up. If you like let your mouse on stuff, it will like tell you stuff about it, like hints, like in RPG Maker. Anyway, the ID is the ID of the NPC. There can only be one ID of an NPC of the same ID loaded into memory. So like if let's say I copy this NPC and then I paste him, this the first one to get loaded into memory. Let's say this comes out of here and then comes. Let's just show you game view. Let's say this comes out of here and then what? It's broken. It's broken. Wait. Never mind. Where is? Oh my god! I screwed up. I forgot. Anyway, you can like search for an NPC. Go to find NPC number. It was 83, I think. And voila, here we go. And so if this comes from here, so this NPC will get loaded first into memory, but this won't. So yeah, keeping that in mind. Let's cut you. Anyway, there is the NPC data, or data, you can call it whatever you like. There's the sprite. It's from 0, which is nothing, to oh my god, it's still going. It's from 0 to 436. Most of them have like uh, different palettes, stuff, sizes, hitboxes. This is the hold on. Let me think first. This is the sprite box of the NPC, and this is the collision of it. So if this is colliding, and then press the interaction key L or talk to, he will talk to this NPC. Let's just put Let's just put him, yeah, like this. The direction he's facing, uh, to make an NPC have like diagonal sprites, or make him face that way, you need to go to a file, I think, in the sprites or something like that, sprite group data table, and then it has like swim flags, and then they're like false, 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 false. There you know you're in it, and then it tells you the limit, I think, size, something like that, and then you put you copy the one from the nest data, because nest has all the facing direction stuff. Yeah, this is the movement. Here is most of the common movement types. You can create more movements using action script. I don't know how to do that, and you should go to the PK Hack Discord server for help. I'm not. Listen, dude. I'm making this for a living. JK. Anyway, the action script for NPC movement are 8 for standing in place, turns to the player when spoken. Present boxes, they basically they face down most of the time, and only go up if they are if their flag is set. 12 is for standard wandering NPCs, and you can pause and read this. Flags determine if this NPC shows up or not, or if it's open or closed, facing up or down. You can set if flag 10 is on, it will appear, and if it's 10 is on, but when flag is unset, it will not be here unless the flag 10 is here. You can set it to always. In PK Hack it's called the present boxes, which is not very good thing to call them, because not it's not only for present boxes. Most of the shops and stuff like that also are on always. Anyway, this NPC is on always and his flag is 0, so this doesn't matter. Dialogue when the NPC is interacted with. You can set it to 0 for no dialogue. You can edit with the CC script to open this label in the project. This extra data is for, hold on, let me see. Different behaviors. So if it's a person or object, if you use item, I think if you use the badge, which is number 1, it will bring out text or something. I don't know how really this works. You can check the description for the thing, the way to giant step the door. It needs a key for the to enter. You get from mayor of on it. You can check that. Person, you got this the type of the NPC. It's either person or object. Look, I'm not sure what does person or object mean, but all I know is that if it's objects are for signs and stuff like that, and items are for items, of course. You can set if you don't want to waste space or sprite data or anything, you can draw a direction of an NPC or a sprite, and then set it to movement 8, and then set it to items, so it won't appear on the screen. I mean, when you interact with it, it will not turn around to the left or anything like that. You may be wondering why the sprite palette is changed. I will tell you in a future video, I think. And here you can leave a comment. This comment does not get saved into the ROM data, rather the ABME data format or something like that. Triggers are like checkable stuff. Hold on, let me make a new trigger. You need to set its collision or set it into a collision tile that accepts trigger. I'll talk more about that later. Triggers are on a 8 by 8 tile grid pattern. You cannot put it on like here. You can't like put it on the middle. It's not pixel perfect. Anyway, doors triggers are doors, escalators, ladder, object, person, rope, stairway, or switch. Doors are pretty explanatory. There's the destination. You can set a destination by clicking on here. There is the you need to set a trigger flag, I think. Yeah, trigger can only function if if they are over the correct yes. The direction where they send Ness or the character into the flag, it will only work if this flag is set 0 for always. You can make it, let's say it's 2, and then we invert it. Now if flag 2 is unset, it will work. Yeah, if flag 2 is unset, it will. Style is like for doors stuff. You can go to the Earthbound wiki to see all the ways and sounds and stuff like that. That takes, you know what do I mean. Pointer is like text that gets bringed up when it's like walk to. I'm not sure. It's like used to like stuff, change like palettes, sets flags, stuff like that. I think we have escalators. Escalators are like where you know like those in the shop. Yeah, like let's say we send northeast, northwest. I don't know where that is. I felt my geography, so we go like we copy it. I think I'm not really sure, and then we paste another one in here, and then we go. Let's say it will take this from here, standing up, mind you, and then go takes him until here. I think I'm not sure. I never used this. I don't think even a single pen game used this. Ladder is pretty self-explanatory, but you need to like copy it and then paste it until like let's say I want this to climb from here to here or here. So I like copy and then paste. I think this is how it works. I forgot. I'm going to load like a project or something. Let's add another trigger, and then what do we got left? We got objects. Objects are like stuff that can be checked. Be self-explanatory. Cut. What do we got next? We got person. Person is like just like, oh my god. Hold on. It doesn't matter. It's like only used in like the Poly Theater in and the Chaos Theater in the town of Tucson and Forsyth. Uh, these are like NPCs you can talk to, but they don't do anything. The only reason they are made is because of the thing, which is called, oh my god, I forgot. Because of the like I forgot. It doesn't matter. You can like only talk to them if you use talk to command, not check. So yeah, that's why they are made. We got next. We got stairway. stairway is just a stairway switch. I don't. It sets a switch, I think, when touched. I'm not sure. I don't think I ever saw this in a game. Anyway, enemy like in a fan game, I think. Enemies is like you set where the enemy spawns. They spawn in a 1, 2, 3, 2 by 2, 64 by 64 tile. You can like change it. You can see more on the enemy configuration table battle, I think, something like that. Anyway, they are divided into two groups. Clear deletes them. I think there is a fairy only one. It's this. No, not this. Never mind. You can like look it up or make your own. There are, I think, empty ones. I don't know. Anyway, here we can see all the enemies and their weight. Their weight has to be like, hold on. Wait, what? Yeah, total weight must be 8, so you're going to have to make enemies or something like that with a very high weight. Do I know what does that mean? No. Do I care? No. I don't. I usually just edit the pre-made enemy table. I just edit the enemies and their stats and just go on. Subgroup is like anyway, I forgot to tell you. Group 1 is like what enemy is going to spawn, I think. Group 1, this is group I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyway, if flag is if this flag is set, which is dark on it, but like the xylov is the thing, the rock on the mountain on it is spawned. These enemy will spawn. Yeah. Just look up the wiki already. Hotspots are like for special events and cutscenes. They aren't very customizable, so yeah. Warps are for like teleportation, and that's about it. Collision, it's I'm going to talk about it later. Changes says which tile to change when which flag is set. Let's say here it sets 0001 to 004 and 002 to 005 and 003 to 012 when this flag 104 is inverted unchecked, so it sets these into these tile sets. This is a preview, of course, and this sets this sets like these. I think they are 3 data to 0, which is the sky. I think this is a bug or something. I don't know. This views everything from the above, and this views how the nest plays. Yeah, you can change opacity, render, and stuff like that. Now, hold on. There are you can like go to location, go to sector, and find by NPC tile, hotspot, warp, or teleportation location. You can render image of map, import PNG with the PNG 2FS. I don't know what does this do. You can clear map, map edit, music editor. I'm not really familiar with music editing, so I'm not going to talk about this. Advanced map preview. You can view the map with the entire map with which palette group and which palette, regardless of which thing it is. Help tells you about it, debug outcome, and report bug. Tile editor, here you can edit individual tiny little tiles that make up the entire world. They are not ties to foreground, background, and stuff like that. Let's look at the tile sets I made for this unique pen game that will never be released ever, ever, ever. Let's see here. On this side we have let's start from this side. From this side we have the animated tiles. Look up how animated tiles to see how to animate them, or look out there's an action script for animating tile sets. I mean tiles. You can look them up. Anyway, for tile one, it goes from ID 1, 2, 3 to 4, and then it loops back, I think, or something like this. Yeah. Anyway, this is the empty tiles. You should not use this. You cannot empty tiles tile the 8 by 8 ones. I You have to hold on. Let's say do this. You have to Control C and then Control V to all of these. Yeah, it's pretty bad to do. So it's recommended to ask Super Me Kirby to add a tool in here or something to wait. Oh no, this is not to I don't know, set all these to this 4 2 by 2 cube, something like that. Anyway, let's see here what we got. We got the ah alright, so here we got the tile set, which palette group. We'll talk about it in here. Palette editor, which palette. Here we got the tiles. You can click on these or change their placement by clicking them, holding and dragging. And then we have here, this is the foreground and background tiles and how they look. I'm going to show it in here. Let's view game. So you see how let's see this nest. He's walking in here. This hold on. In here he his sprites went up under the tile set. Pretty cool, right? Anyway, let's check out how does it work. Oh my god, bro. Anyway, yeah. This is the foreground and this is the background. This is how this is what will appear above this, and this is how it will look normally. And then in here, this is to swap between them. Yeah, this is the empty tile set. It will not work in under here, trust me. This you can set it to the top, or set the top one to the bottom one. Here we have the fun part, sub palette. You can edit or put hold on, let me show you. We put this in here, 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 and put this in here. So you see here, this is using subpalette 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. They are actually called 0. Yeah, you can edit them by double clicking or clicking the edit key. Anyway, the reason why there is multiple colors on different subpalettes is because if you have a little bit of green grass, let's say on let's say rock. This is the rock palette most of the time. It will appear as if let's say we change this color. It will appear as if the grass have changed whoa, whoa, this is not the color of grass. If we change this to like purple or something, it will be like very crazy. Like, what? Inconsistency, man. Come on. Anyway, from tile ID 0 to wait, from tile ID 0 to 383, they will have the foreground tile, and underneath they will have the ground tile. It is recommended to have like I don't know, like floor tiles, stuff like that in here. And yeah. Anyway, let's make a tile with you guys together. Let's make it aboveness. Oh no, let's like this. Let's say it's a circle. Let's say it's a circle, of course. Pretty darn great looking circle using the Yumaniki color palette, of course. And then we put it down here. But like when it's on the ground, it will look like it's on the ground. So it will have like this. So let's grab a new tile set. Let's use this. You can also rotate these by right clicking, right clicking. You can rotate them to the left, right, up, or down. You can't you not rotate, flip them horizontally or vertically. You can't like rotate them. Yeah. So let's grab floor tile and let's put them in here. It will look very repetitive to have one floor tile, so it's recommended to have more than one. Yeah, you get what I mean. Let's put here and let's preview. Oh wait, forgot to do this. Oh crap. Now the circles are on top of Ness. As you can see right here, you can like do this for like cool effects, like I don't know really. You can like do this for cool effects, or just make like a perspective thingy. You know what I mean? Yeah. Anyway, let's go to attribute or collision. You can make your own edit, delete, turn one up or turn them down, or reset the preset. There is none, which is none. Solid. Let's view all. Solid blocks the player. There is the foreground bottom half. It only like shows hides the bottom half of the player only the bottom half, not the top half, the top of the head. Let me show an example. Oh, this doesn't have one. Uh, you get the idea. Anyway, there's sunstroke. When the player is on top of it, he will get sunstroke. There is deep water, he will sink. There is water, he will sink, but only his head will show up. There's the solid trigger and there's the trigger. Solid triggers are like solid triggers, and triggers are triggers. You should put triggers on here. I don't know what does solid triggers and this stuff do really. I just like edit, make some stupid 2 minute fan games really for friends and family. Yeah. Uh, let's yeah. You can export these as images, tiles. Export the tile set as images, view unused or stuff like that. Now let's go to the palette editor. There's one cool thing you can do in the palette editor. Yeah, this is the correct path. It's setting the sub palette for palette 4. Hold on, let me. This is the wrong one. Yes, this is the palette for Happy Village, and for palette 4, which is the one with the all dark brownish thing stuff in it, will yeah, if this is 0, it will use that palette. If it's let's say if it's like 5, it will use palette number 3, bro. Yeah, very crazy. I don't know why this happens. Don't ask me anything, bro. I don't know what I'm doing, to be honest. Yeah, you can like make some pretty like cool. Technically, you can make more than 8 palettes, 8 palettes by using this. Like having like changing from palette 0 to palette 1, like, and then like if a flag is set, let's say flag 1, I enter this room and there's like an NPC using this palette. You get the idea generally. And then yeah, if Super Me Kirby saw me, he, she, they will probably kill me because of this bad tutorial. Also, this was added on April Fools. Very laggy on my part, but yeah, it saves. It's only the game. Oh no, cancel. It's only the thing. This game, not what? Oh, my bad. It's only this game, not really like the entire Mario Paint. There is a help in here? Oh. Yeah, this is pretty much it. You can add palettes, you can delete them. Oh, there's the palette settings. Palette settings, like if this flag is set, it will set palette to 0 something. I'm not really, I don't ever touch that thing. Never in my life touch it. Yeah, this is basically it. Yeah, let's open this full project card real quick to show you how the map would look like if it was full, and show you some other stuff, of course. It will take a while. How long has this been on? Oh my god, I've been here for over an hour. Wait, what? What's this? It still hasn't loaded. Oh my god. Oh my god, this video took so long. Oh my god, bro. Here is Tenda Village on it. It's not really made in chronological blah 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 order. So yeah, here's towns. It will get filled with this tile set. Yeah. Hold on. Sectors. Let's go to NPCs. Is it triggers or something? I'm not sure. Let's see. Oh, this is an. Oh, this is not an NPC. I thought it was an NPC. Anyway, let's see here. It sets to this data. I'm not sure what this is. Yeah, you get the idea. Just look this up, bro. You're on your own. Hmm. 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 What do I do? Oh, there's also prison boxes. Yeah, this is what item is in them, and this is the flag that they use. This is what I was talking about. and that's about it. I think that wraps it up. I took so long, bro. In here there's like one unused tile. It's this. You can look it up. Unused. You can see here. Anyway, this shows that's why it's here. This is the Dark Onet palette. It's it's hold on. If this flag is on, it will set to this palette. Yeah, this is the Dream palette. Not Dream. I don't know what it's called. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. You did not enjoy the video at all. This video is like garbage. Garbage. Oh my god, it is. What? Anyway, goodbye, I guess.